As the first light of dawn breaks over the port, the ZIM Constanza begins her quiet departure. This aerial footage follows the elegant, steady motion of one of ZIM's modern container ships as it leaves the harbor, gliding into open waters. Tugboats may have assisted moments earlier, but now the ship is on her own, engines humming low as she gains distance from the port's edge. Sunrise is a special time at sea. The air is calm, the water reflective. For a moment, the industrial presence of the ship blends into the natural world, a perfect intersection of human scale and elemental beauty. ZIM Constanza, part of the Israeli-based ZIM Integrated Shipping Services fleet, is designed for global commerce, built across oceans with efficiency, carrying everything from raw materials to consumer goods across continents. And now, it's time to turn off the ship's nightlights and sail into a new day. After the narration, stay for uninterrupted drone footage as the ship sails out of frame,